Hey guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a multi-function headphone holder from EasyAcc that was sent to me so I could try it out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I've been using this for a couple weeks already, and I already put it back in the box. That way you have an idea of what to expect when you get it through the mail. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how this thing is assembled and my experience so far with it. So here you got instruction manuals in here, of course. You might want to read it because there's a couple things you might want to know about how the USB ports function and so on, but there's, a lot of good information in there. Over here we got the holder for your headphones. Of course, these are for the headphones right here. Just gonna put this to the side. This is the base of the holder. Just gonna take this to the side, and you got the cable to plug it into the wall. Just gonna put this down, and here it is. This is basically the base of your headphone holder, and this is gonna go like that right there. Just gonna put it like that. There you go, and it goes just like that it goes. Here you got a charging symbol, the wireless charging symbol right there. Over here you got a charging port. This is just for charging, and it charges up to 18 watts. The wireless charging feature actually charges up to, has 5.0 wireless charging, 7.5 wireless charging, and 10.0 watts wireless charging. Over here you got 1, 2, 3, 4 ports that are actually going to be used for data transfer. So yes, you could use these headphone multifunction headset stand as a USB hub, charging your cell phone via cable or any other device, and of course wireless charging your smartphone right here. This cable right here is just in case if you're actually going to use a USB data transfer, then you would plug this cable to the computer where you're going to be transferring your data from. Of course, this is all 3.0, so the transfer data rate is going to be 5 gigabytes for each port, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 5 gigabytes speed. And this of course is going to be plugged to the wall, which I'm going to do right now. So I fixed the camera angle, that way you can actually appreciate a little bit better how the headphone holder actually looks. And let's go and show you guys the ports again. Over here in the back you got the power port, which you're going to use this connected to the wall, right? This is actually connected to the wall now, and now like you see here, this is going to start lighting up right there. This is where you're going to place your Android smartphone or iPhone as well, because iPhones actually do wireless charging. So this is going to be compatible with iPhones and almost any Android smartphone out there in the market. You got the charging port, which is going to be good to charge devices via the cable. And these ports are just going to be for data only. These are going to be transferring with USB 3.0 transfer speed. If you're going to use these USB ports to transfer data to your computer, so you have to connect this to your computer, this other cable to your computer. But for now, let's go and show you guys. Like you see here, this is a Pixel phone. Put it right there. Boom, right away it starts charging your smartphone right away, really fast. And over here it says charging wirelessly. Right now you can't see it because of the angle of the camera, but like you see right there, it actually recognizes the phone pretty fast and it starts charging right away. So that's something cool there. And of course, one thing that I wanted to show you guys, these are the headphones that I have right now because I don't use too many over-the-ear headphones. So you can see that you can use this port over here for power only. See, if I plug it over here in the USB port for power only, then you will see, there you go, you will see that these things light up. You see there, the headphone lighting up as well. If you take it out, it'll stop. I'm showing you the power of the headphones or the lights on the headphones. And if I try to use another port, one of these ports that are for data, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, see there, nothing's gonna really happen at all. It would have been also nice if they added a Ethernet access port. That would have been perfect for me because I use the Ethernet port on my computer a lot. That would be completely great for me because I use the USB ports and I use the Ethernet port as well. But sadly, this only has 4 USB ports for data transfer, which of course you could connect your USB, and this is a USB thumbstick, right there. Right now it's not going to do nothing because it's not connected to the computer. But let's see. Let's go and take this out again. Gonna take these headphones out and see if I can actually plug this to the computer without messing up the camera here. Okay, so there it is. I plugged it to the computer. I don't know if we're going to be able to see anything here, but I'm going to go ahead and plug this USB port or USB thumb drive right here to one of the USBs A. And there you go. Look how fast I actually recognized it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, it says if I want to scan this. There you go. There you go. So right now that video is actually being played from the USB port. And of course, at the same time, I can actually start charging a smartphone right there while I'm watching or transferring data from my USB port hub. And it actually transferred data really fast. So right now this, for example, this is what, 1.6 gigabytes. So if I want to transfer this to the desktop right there, those are the speeds right there. Like you see, oops, there you go. It's going pretty fast. That's a 1.6 gigabytes and it's going pretty fast using the port of the USB hub over here that's connected to that's attached to the headphone holder, which is something that if you've been looking for a headphone holder that has multifunction features, I think you can't go wrong with these headphones holder. But like I said, in my opinion, for my use, the way that I use my computer, it would have been awesome if there would have been like an Ethernet port. That would have been great because you're already connecting this, you're already connecting this to the computer, right? So it would have been nice if we had like an Ethernet port, and instead of just one charging port, that would have been nice for a second charging port, and leave 3 USB just for data transfer. That would have been great. But another cool thing here as well is that if you have one of these keyboards that uses these USB dongles, you can actually plug it here, right? You can plug it here and liberate one slot. Here you go, one USB slot from your computer. That way I could go ahead right now, like right here, and start controlling. Look at that. I could start controlling my computer with the USB dongle connected to the hub over here, which is not bad. That's pretty damn cool as well. So this right now goes for $39.99 on Amazon. I'm going to leave links in my descriptions just so you guys can see and read a little bit more about it if you want to ask any other information to the seller. But like I said, they sent it to me like a couple weeks ago. I didn't have time to make a video earlier. The good thing is that I get to use it a little bit better before I actually make the video. And like I said, it does what it says it does. It does what it says it does. It holds your headphones perfectly good. So if you use a lot of headphones over the ear, it's going to hold it perfectly good, and it actually looks nice there. It's going to charge your smartphone. You put it right there. It's going to also charge your smartphone, and you will be able to use it as a USB hub. You can transfer data to your computer, or you can use it to plug in your keyboard or mouse USB dongles to it and liberate a USB slot from your computer or laptop. And of course, you have another port right there, which if you want to charge any other device with a USB port, you could do it right there. That I think is totally worth it, but it's up to you. I'll leave links in my descriptions. That way, if you're interested in looking at these or ordering it from there, you would also help the channel as well. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time. Bye-bye.